Hey guys, Tonya Vann here. I am a Paparazzi Accessories independent consultant and producer, and I am here for April's fashion fix as promised. I haven't even opened the box yet, guys. So I hope everyone is staying safe. It is a very, very crazy time right now, and I am definitely staying inside as much as possible. But I'm just like, are people gonna be like leery about buying from someone else's house right now? Like, you don't know, you know, and it's jewelry, so you don't want to be putting a bunch of sanitizer all over it. So I don't know, that's just my own personal thoughts. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about that, and if you've been selling, how's it been working out for you? Or if you have it yourself and you're suffering, or you have loved ones who are suffering, or you lost your job, or just, you know, there's just so much devastation going on right now. So I'm praying for anyone who watches this video to just feel the hand of God in your life and help you get through whatever trying times you're facing right now. All right, so we've got April's fashion fix. Behind me, you see this garment bag here. I just did my March video, and I did my March fashion fix video, and I also recorded a video that I'm gonna upload for this garment bag. It's got lots of paparazzi jewelry in here. This is pretty much a vendor event in a bag. It's a paparazzi garment bag. I don't know if they still sell these or not, but I will put info in the description box on what I find out, or another one from Amazon if not. But it's pretty much got the jewelry, those jewelry hanger things. Have you guys seen these? I'll put a link to this in the description box below too. And there's, I think, 3 or 4 of them in here. You can get more. They're all full of jewelry within the pockets. And then on the back, I've got like all my little accessories and stuff. This is a twirl tie with jewelry on it. And then these are the rings, and then all my bags, if I could get them for you. They're all down there in the bottom. So this is pretty much an event or a hostess party in a bag for you. Makes it really super simple. I'll let you guys know about it. But on to April's fashion fix. All right, I haven't even seen these, so we're looking at them together. Magnificent new seams. And what Fashion Fix is, it's a monthly subscription box that you get if you join. If you're part of Paparazzi as a consultant, you can join Fashion Fix by calling customer service and getting on their waiting list, which they usually have a waiting list. And then once you get on the Fashion Fix program, they will bill you, they'll invoice you each month, and then send you the monthly subscription box. And it's full of jewelry. You get 5 sets of jewelry, as well as a bunch of exclusives that only you can only get if you're in Fashion Fix, as well as Hostess rewards. So you'll see. But this is the necklace. Wow, guys. Ooh, 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 ooh. All dressed up and nowhere to go. It's quarantine time. All right, so that is gorgeous. And this is the bracelet here. Love that, so pretty. Matches our necklace perfectly. So I figured I would still do the video and show you the beautiful jewelry, because some people it lifts your spirits. And I know it does mine. But I'm sure it's definitely affecting our businesses as paparazzi consultants. I can see that, you know, just even through my team sales and all of that. So it's just a trying time for our country as a whole. But the thing is, we're all going through it together, as not even just our country. I said our country, but it's really our whole world. Wow. and there's a lot of resources that they're trying to put together, so make sure you're staying on top of that, and just Google COVID-19 relief programs or something like that, and start learning what's available in your state through the companies that you do business with, and through our government, because there's a lot already kind of in the works, and there's going to be a lot more coming. This is the ring. Wow, that's different. Ooh, these are the earrings. Look at those. So cute. Love those. I just love the earrings. The next set is Fiercely Fifth Avenue. All right. I like this setup. This feels really comfortable. Much more than the setup I was doing for the last video. So as far as my situation goes, I'm still working, so I'm working full-time from home, but I always work from home. I'm definitely busy. And on top of that, for Florida, our kids in our school district, they're doing online school. So now all of us parents have become teachers. That's so cute. Wow, it's gorgeous. And then these are the matching earrings, little pearl. All right, so we've got those. Wow, I love the color. The rhinestone and the pearls on this look great together. And my lighting makes it look really pretty. Those are there, those earrings. Look at that. That's really cute. And your ring. Wow, that's beautiful. All right, Simply Santa Fe. That's the necklace. It's like a gunmetal color, and then a marbleized, kind of cream colored stone, long chain, and then matching earrings. And then this one has two bracelets. Cute, open. The other one, which that's nice and pretty substantial feeling. Not heavy, but you know, feels like nice quality jewelry. If you wanted to wear both of them together, kind of like that. Never mind this one here, which is my other bracelet there. Or you could wear them on different arms. And that is the ring. So pretty. Matches really well. Yeah, sunset siding. So this is the necklace. It's very light and girly. Nice long silver chain. Cute little matching earrings. Earrings pretty much matches that charm perfectly. Those are really pretty. Wow, this is the bracelet. Ooh, be careful, don't pinch yourself. Like that. That's gorgeous. And this is the ring. So pretty. So that's a really cute set of jewelry too. And the color is kind of a coral looking color. Glimpses of Malibu, and it's like green. This is the necklace. The earrings. I like this bracelet, it's different. The bracelet, and it's stretchy. Even though it doesn't look stretchy. See, it doesn't look stretchy, but it is. It's got all the spun charms on it. That's your necklace there. There's The earrings. Cute. Trying to see them more close. And that, my friend, is the ring. Very nice, very nice. So that's it as far as the sets go. Then you've got the exclusives and the Hostess rewards. So let me show you that. I'll start with the Hostess rewards. So this is a bracelet here, which is really pretty. I love stretchy bracelets. And especially when it's got some bling on there. Look at the color of that. It's really pretty. And it kind of may match this from last month. Remember this set here I showed you from March, and it was part of the exclusives. Of course, when you put it on, you would make it all face the right way. But see, there's that in that color there, which I think would maybe look nice with that. I can't show you very good, sorry. But trust me, it'd be cute with this. Got a long wrap bracelet, and it's a mermaid style, so it flips. So you've got this goldish color here, almost a champagne, rose gold, gold kind of color, I don't know. And then it goes to silver. So, and you can wear these as chokers, the long ones, too. This color. You just wrap it around, and then you snap it. So that's how that looks. They're very soft, very lightweight, very comfortable. And you could even do two-tone. So you could do silver here and gold there. Beautiful purple ring here. Is gorgeous. And then that's a really pretty red necklace there. Dainty. And now for the exclusive. So 2 strands of pink pearl, cute little matching earrings. It's pretty and different. You got all these stones kind of floating on this necklace. This, what do you call this? Fish wire kind of like necklace. Really pretty. Those are the matching earrings. Pretty bracelet. It's copper. I can open it like that. That's really cute. And ooh, this is different. Look at that, that's nice and pretty. That I would probably wear more so like maybe that. I don't know, it's cute though. It's fun. Ooh, these are really cute. Oh wow, look at those. I was like, does it say something? VMB. I don't think that's supposed to say anything. Those are beautiful. Wow, we get some really pretty jewelry. Like if you are someone who goes out, then definitely. Really pretty. It looks like MV. If you know someone with the initials MV, then this is perfect for them. Awesome. So that's everything. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you like everything. Let me know in the comments what you like best and which set you like best. And all right, guys, have a great one. God bless. Bye-bye.